Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here at the Southern District of New York Courthouse. We just covered the bail hearing of Mr. Miles Guo Wengui, also known as Mr. Kwok, in front of Judge Torres. It was interesting. The government went on strong. The government hit strong. They called him Mr. Finkel, AUSA. He said this is a $1 billion fraud case. He may have 11 passports. Something about Kazakhstan, money in the UAE. They brought up the Seng case, which we also covered. This was actually, ironically, a CCP briber of the United Nations called Seng from Macau. He bribed the United Nations. Nothing ever happened. The same people that took bribes are still in charge there. But he was released on bail with armed guards, and the guards actually ate with Mr. Eng. Anyway, so he thought that was a good argument to say that Mr. Guo should not be released with armed guards. But interestingly enough, the judge started asking a lot about the passports. It turned out a major argument made by Mr. Guo's lawyer was that he renounced his UAE citizenship, that the Vanuatu passport has expired. All he has is a Hong Kong passport, and of course he wouldn't want to go there. So Judge Torres asked about the UAE passport. Guo's lawyer had a copy of a letter that he sent to the UAE renouncing his citizenship, but she said it's discertified. Said he wasn't able to get it fast enough, but he was relying on the word of Mr. Guo's immigration counsel. And Judge Torres, now this is the letdown. She didn't rule. She said, "I'm reserving judgment, and I will issue a written order. We are adjourned." Having been in the courtroom, I would say that it went better than I thought it would go for Mr. Guo. I thought it would be kind of a slam dunk. Although there's another issue here. How the government, how the prosecutors, just to compare, they are the ones who favor release on bail of Sam Bankman-Fred. And virtually everything that was said about Mr. Guo today could be said about him. That he's a repeat fraudster, that he doesn't obey court orders, everything that was said, and yet the government maintains that Sam Bankman-Fred should be free. So go figure. In any event, InnerCityPress.com will be writing the story.